to now, the police commissioner, or rather the county commissioner and the county commander have conducted themselves very well up to now. So I'm hoping that that professionalism will continue up to the end of the election and after announcement of the victor. However, I want to tell them that nobody is immortal. If the intention of withdrawing security for Natembeya and the security for Dr. Boni Khalwale is something beyond intimidation, that you want to actually go ahead and cause us actual physical harm, it will have consequences, naturally. Naturally, if they hit us, I can assure you the amount of pandemonium that will take place in this county and by extension in Trans Nzoia, in Bungoma, and even Nairobi, it will be more expensive for them to manage than just allow us to enjoy our constitutional freedom. And by the way, Commissioner, for information, you are new here. I was arrested during polling in Ekolomani, and I was kept at the police station here in Kakamega for 2 hours, and it could not be sustained until they pleaded that I be taken back to the constituency for peace to be restored. I hear they want to, from the grapevine, that they want to arrest me. Please don't waste your fuel. I'll either sleep in my home, which is very well known, or in memory of Peter Soita Shitanda, I'll sleep at his hotel in Malaba. So don't waste fuel, just come there and I'll accompany you in the usual way. I have been arrested, tear-gassed, shot at for so many years. I was first tear-gassed at the age of 22 when students joined the Air Force because we wanted to stop Moi from detention without trial. It's nothing new. And if I go, I have able sons. And if they are not able, my brothers and sisters have able children. Life will go on and Kenya must be free. Luhya land must be respected. Please, we are not measured in the eyes of people like Libondo, who I see driving around, and Rashid driving around the high-end vehicles, trying to think they can. Nobody knows them in Malaba. For real. They're just wasting their time.